Welcome friends. Today we are going to see selection sort. In previous videos we have seen bubble sort, insertion sort. Today we are going to talk about selection sort. In selection sort, the given values are stored in the form of array, and then array is divided in two parts. First part is sorted array and second part is unsorted array. Initially, sorted array is empty. There is no value in sorted array. All values are assumed in unsorted array. Now we have to select one by one value to insert at the last position of sorted array. Now where to insert is fixed, but which value has to be selected for insertion is very important, and therefore this algorithm is known as selection sort. Select the proper value and insert at the end of sorted array. Now let us try to understand this selection sort with the help of example. Let us say the array given is 8, 12, 3, 15 and 10, and initially the sorted array is empty. Now we have to select smallest value in unsorted array. So see all the values in given array and find out smallest one. Now 3 is selected because it is smallest value, and then it is inserted at the last position of sorted array. So 3 is selected and then it will be added. First part is over. Now again from remaining values select the smallest value. Now in remaining value 8 is the smallest value. Select the 8 and insert at the end of sorted array. Repeat this process for all values in unsorted array. So the selection will take place is equivalent to total number of values available in unsorted array. Every time smallest value is selected and inserted at the last position of sorted array. At end, when all values are over, you will get entire array as a sorted array. Let us try to write algorithm for it. In this algorithm, we have to pass two values. One is array and upper bound index number of last value in array. Current position will be assumed to 0, and then from first value to the last value find out smallest value. Assume the current value smallest and compare with all other values. If anywhere value gets smallest, that value will be selected as the smallest value. Once you got the smallest value, just select that value and insert it in another array. So there are two different parts. First part is select the smallest value. Now here you can see the while loop that selects smallest value. Once smallest value is selected, you are just going to find out where to add. Now to add we are using variable walk. Just hold the smallest value and add it to unsorted part and just increase your current value. So one by one all values from unsorted array are selected and inserted in next part of array. So I hope this video is helpful for you in understanding selection sort. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.